Valuables, I don't care. The main thing is the memories and the nostalgia which has gone with me, which will never be with me back. That is the main thing I care about. And I think the firefighting and all, they have done an excellent job. This state machinery, I would really like to thank everybody. Without that thing, it could have been a disaster. The only thing again would request people to give way to fire brigade. Please give way to fire brigade because of the congestion, and I would what do you call congestion in PB. The people were not moving; they had to be forced to be moved. The fire brigade was delayed by more than half an hour just because of that. It's not because of their efficiency, because of that. So please don't play with the life of people.
Ka jingplu jong ka wei ka yeng ka balong trai da u amit sing khania hakhandai lat thana rut ka bala shem ru ya ka jing em jong wei unong trai hakatei ka yeng manta ka singi habayo banya kran bat u amit ulapan pau ba ka jingplu jong ka yeng jong u kat hadu manta ompat la bantem nangnu ka sedang kemding habakali hadu katnu ka jing julor nakate ka jing plu ding using khania ulaya thu banalor ka jing don jing em ka baka ding ka labam du ka bakrau tam ka dei ka jing du ya ka yeng ka sam bat ke hajar teli ki jing kan mau ki bayas no bat ke ni ka yeng ka baula he lasan rengkat bat uparat jong u habakali ulaya thu baki bor sarkar bat ki sipai tang shuyo ya ka khubor kila persang ban be syakate ka jaka nrai ka jingmu tolop ki kattu kat ni ki badan hakhandai lat hakatu ka por ban ajaka ya ki kali pelip ding ban yat leng ba ban poi syakate ka jaka kala penlong ya ki ban poi kham slem kumba kattu kat ni por ban kading kala nang yo ban nang kelang shushu la ban yo i bakani kapaki jong u amen kala i sator naka jing plu jong kani ka yeng bad la ru ban sakhi ba naka liang ki pulit pelip ding kad hadu menta kidang dan hakatei ka jaka ban pelip ya ki katu kani kiding ki badang rehem.
How did it broke to even we can't say, because even I had gone out. All of a sudden, my father called up that come immediately. There's a big fire. Then when I asked him, he said he was just sitting in his office. He just turned around and he saw all of a sudden he saw a huge blaze of fire. Everything was smoky, and the fire was also such, it was of high magnitude. He could not do anything, realize anything. Just the first thing what he could think of was to take the staff and everyone out, and somehow he just came out. That's it, and nothing else after that.
And we also know that one precious life was lost during this incident.
Yeah, that was very unfortunate, very unfortunate. One of the staffs, he got stuck inside. He could not come out, though and mostly what happened was, I think he passed away due to the smoke, because there was nothing, no burn thing, anything. We broke the wall from backside and we took him out also, because the fire was such we could not go from either of the two entrances. So that's how it was very sad, the most unfortunate part, because properties can be done and whatever, human life is very precious, it should not have gone. Our
There are
full
some suspicion that there is a fault here on this building.
so,
What do you have to say on that?
to all my well-wishers and pleasers who in such a time of distress have the thing to think that, because we cannot help that mentality, they can come and check my account. I have no insurance. I have zero insurance. Zero means zero insurance. So I would not do that to myself.
According to this situation, like what we have seen according to the structure of the building,
Sorry.
I mean the structure of the building is not very strong. It seems that you have to demolish this building. So, what are your plans?
So we have already said the front portion. This is an old structure and this is not safe for us also. So we have said the front portion will demolish. We'll demolish ourselves also after due investigation is going on. So after that, because even that is a technical process, so it has to be done, and we'll demolish the front portion. Valuables, I don't care. The main thing is the memories and the nostalgia which has gone with me, which will never be with me back. That is the main thing I care about, and I do.
Inside the building that day happened.
Sorry.
What was inside the building?
What was inside the building? So it's below is the shop and above is the residence. So you can imagine what can be inside the residence. We have been staying here for long, since birth. My grandfather has been staying here, so everything is here only. Our valuables, everything, whatever. There's nothing. I cannot stop people's mouth. Everyone can, who are not inside, they can just. It's an enjoyment for them. I'm sorry to say, but for most of the people, it's just an enjoyment, or it's an gossip. I would request through you all respected people, I'll request the thing. It's only a person who faces it knows what is. So please don't do this what you all are doing, making pictures, making everyone is just coming for the sake of it. They are making videos, uploading in the Instagram. What joy are you getting? Please don't do that. You are playing with the emotions of people through your respected media and everything. I would just like to request the people. Today I have suffered. I just pray to God no one else faces this. But suppose, unfortunately, if something happens, please don't play with the emotions.
From which portion of the building that the fire started on that? You know,
No, sir. Cannot say.
we think that these firefighters, they were still busy pouring water in different parts of the to clear those debris. So it was over say at one day.
Sorry, I didn't
They
get.
were clearing
There,
those,
no. The fire was controlled yesterday, but now just to make sure that there is nothing, because there are lots of papers and lots of cloths inside, just to make sure it doesn't reignites. That was the only thing. The only thing, the firefighting and all, they have done an excellent job. This state machinery, I would really like to thank everybody. Without that thing, it could have been a disaster. The only thing again would request people to give way to fire brigade. Please give way to fire brigade because of the congestion, and I would what do you call congestion in PB. The people were not moving; they had to be forced to be moved. The fire brigade was delayed by more than half an hour just because of that. It's not because of their efficiency, because of that. So please don't play with the life of people. Numerous. We thank it was continuous right since that day till yesterday. Today we can see it wasn't continuous. There was not stopping it. If it would not have been such a magnitude fire, would not have been controlled, and the devastation could have been much more.
how old is your building, sir?
I told you my grandfather had all stayed in it. I am 50 years, so you can imagine. I have been staying here for the past 50 years. So it's much more than that. Should be 80 years or something.
Your good name?
Amit Singhania.
Thank you.